The Inogen At Home concentrator is designed to be used with a humidifier if medically required. The following will illustrate how easy it is to add a humidifier to your system. Remove the humidifier cap from the bottle. Fill the humidifier with distilled water to the level indicated by the manufacturer. Replace the humidifier cap and securely tighten. Insert the humidifier bottle as assembled with the adapter through the elastic holder on the concentrator and set in place. Attach the oxygen tubing to the humidifier bottle adapter by turning the wingnut on the humidifier bottle counterclockwise until the oxygen tubing is securely fastened. Attach the oxygen tubing from the humidifier bottle to the oxygen outlet connector on the concentrator. Attach the cannula supply tubing to the humidifier bottle outlet. Adjust the nasal cannula so that it is properly aligned on your face. Power on the concentrator by pressing the on and off button.